Okay, do a set with me. So we're doing the back squat, and today the RPE is 8 out of 10. This is my second set. The first set, I did 10 reps. This is about 225, which is the weight I can do without breaking form. So here's set 2, should also feel like 8, maybe even 8.5 out of 10, which means I should barely have one, absolute maximum 2 reps left in the tank after my 10 reps. Let's go, baby. Five more, getting tired. Three. 2, baby. Last one. I have more. Let's go for 11 or 12. This is my limit. That's how we do it. That is RPE 8 out of 10. Can barely stand. Barely had one more left in the tank. This is the intensity you should be training with.